Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 68, Race. So this video presents another one of those interesting puzzles where it enables you to think outside the square, some lateral thinking if you like. I hope you enjoy it. In a running race, I finished 2 places in front of the second last place getter. Also, I finished 3 places behind the second place getter. How many people were in the race? A clue will be given on the next slide. So I'll leave this slide on for a couple of minutes. Please try your best to solve it. And if you're having a little bit of trouble, in about 2 minutes, I'll go to the next slide and I'll give you a clue. So please do your best. Okay, we'll go to the next slide now and give you a clue just in case you need it. Here we go. So I've repeated the problem there for your comfort so you can easily remember what the problem involved. And here's my clue. Draw a diagram. That's the best clue I can give you. Draw a diagram. So I'll leave this on for 1 minute and in the next slide I'll give you the answer. So if you haven't solved it, please keep trying. Okay, here we go. This is the answer. It'll be interesting to see how you went. There we go. The answer is 8. And as you can see, drawing the diagram is the best way to do it. Now, there's me, for example. Let's pretend that that's me. It says I finished 2 places in front of the second last place getter. This is the second last place getter here. That one there. And you can see that I've finished 2 places in front of that person, which means there's another person behind. Okay, so that's all we've got there. There's no more there. by that first sentence. It also says I finished 3 places behind the second place getter. There's the second place getter there, because we can see here is the winner. So 1, 2, 3. There's 3 places behind the second place getter. So if that's the second place getter, there's the winner. Count all those runners and you get 8. So there were 8 people in the race. I hope you enjoyed that puzzle, and I'll be uploading another one in the next day or so. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide. And here it is.